First off, I want to apologize for not being able to upload videos regularly for you all because the past few days have been super hectic for me, but now I'll make sure to bring you new content on a daily basis. Anyway, so Huawei recently launched their Huawei Mate 70 series of smartphones, and honestly speaking, these phones come packed with a lot of features that truly set them apart from the competition. I'm working on a detailed video to cover everything about this series, but in this video, I will mainly talk about one feature that I believe is the best feature of this phone, and that's durability. Yes, before the launch, Huawei claimed that they basically used a special material in the Huawei Mate 70 Pro and the Pro Plus smartphones that makes these phones insanely strong, especially when it comes to the drops. And guess what? They weren't exaggerating. This material is seriously impressive. It's called high gloss titanium basalt and ultra durable nylon, which are the materials used to strengthen the phones. Well, it makes them more drop resistant, and here is the example of it. Well, a Weibo tipster recently got his hands on the Huawei Mate 70 series, and the tipster performed the drop test for the Mate 70 Pro Plus smartphone. Like, he freely dropped the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus from a 2-meter height 2 times. And to his surprise, the phone basically broke the tile into pieces while remained in one piece. As you can see, the front screen and back cover of the phone weren't damaged at all. It seems the device even surpassed the Apple iPhone in terms of the wear resistance. It has the toughest middle frame that claims to provide all-round protection to the smartphone. As you can see, even the middle frame of the device that basically touched the ground directly in this drop test has no dents or damage, but a few scratches or the marks. It's really far ahead. And not only that, this guy is literally breaking walnuts from the phone. Just think how strong this phone is. It's not even getting damaged. That is why I was saying that this is by far the best feature of this device. But I know this is not enough. Well, this one has a lot of new features like design, AI features, camera, satellite, Kirin 9020 chipset, plus the Harmony OS Next ecosystem. Well, this one is literally a powerhouse. I will cover everything in the next video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss us out. So, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.